Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into setting up your TikTok profile and mastering the art of navigating this vibrant platform. Whether you are a seasoned business owner or just starting out, understanding the fundamentals of TikTok is essential for your success. Let us begin with the critical first steps of creating your TikTok profile. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. Create an account. Begin by signing up for a TikTok account using your email, phone number, or through a third-party platform like Facebook. Customize your username. Click on the icon in the lower right corner. Select Edit Profile and change your username to reflect your branded business name. This makes your profile instantly recognizable. Craft a captivating bio. Your bio is your digital introduction. In a few words, summarize who you are as a business, ensuring that viewers can grasp your essence in just 2 seconds or less. Link to your website. Don't forget to include a link to your website. This provides interested viewers with a direct path to explore your products or services further. With your profile in order, let's dive into how people engage with content on TikTok. For your feed, this is where TikTok's algorithm curates a personalized stream of videos it thinks you will enjoy, similar to Instagram's Explore page. Following feed. Swipe left to access your following feed, where you can view content from users you follow. Engagement. On the right-hand side of any video, you'll find a series of icons for engagement, including likes, comments, and shares. The last icon, a spinning record with music notes, signifies the song used in the video. Music. Clicking the music icon reveals the track's name, artist, and its popularity. You can also explore other TikToks that use the same song, which is particularly useful for tracking trends. Now, let us embark on the journey of creating your very own TikTok video. Tap the plus sign. Simply tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen to initiate video recording. Add music. You have the option to add music before recording or during the editing process if you prefer to shoot first. AR effects. TikTok boasts an array of augmented reality effects. To access them, tap Effects on the left side of the screen. Timer. Make use of the timer feature, allowing you to record without continuously holding the record button, unleashing your creativity. Import videos. Feel free to import and edit videos from your camera roll and effortlessly stitch them together within the app. Duets. Experiment with duets, a fantastic feature that splits the screen, enabling you to create alongside another user's video. This is perfect for reaction or response content. Music plays a pivotal role on TikTok. Here is how you can choose the perfect song for your video. Add a sound. Tap Add a sound on the right side of the recording screen to explore popular tracks and songs associated with challenges. Challenges. Challenges serve as a unifying force within the TikTok community and are often sponsored by advertisers. Dive into challenges to participate and gain exposure among a wider audience. To wrap things up, you can use the search bar to discover specific creators, sounds, or hashtags. Simply tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the home screen to embark on your exploratory journey. And there you have it. You are now fully equipped to set up your TikTok profile, seamlessly navigate the app, and craft your inaugural TikTok masterpiece. Always remember that TikTok thrives on creativity, trends, and engagement. So, embrace the experience, have fun, and let your creativity shine. Moreover, in our upcoming video, we will unveil the secrets to going viral on TikTok and effectively marketing your products. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.